Hey guys, I'm down here in Bonneau. I'm at Richardson's Landing, and I'm going to show you around this this boat landing. I'm sure that a lot of y'all have put in here before, but I want to tell you a couple things about it and let you check it out. Now, from what I understand, there used to be there was a whole lot more beach down here. But just understand that beach is not promised to everybody. I'm not trying to settle some type of debate or anything. Y'all can leave comments about what you really think the issue is. I don't know nothing about the bureaucracy. But there was a lot more beach, and then they had to do a whole lot of dredging. In order to get it deeper, they had to take away a lot of the bank and things like that. And that's what I was told, is that this was never promised to be a beach area. They just kind of gave a little bit there, but they want to remove liability. They ain't gonna be taking care of it. There's no lifeguards that are out here. It is a swim at your own risk, so be careful. Y'all watch your kids, keep them out of the boaters zones. Boaters, when you come in, don't come in too quick, because you know that somebody is gonna be swimming out there past their mamas yelling, "Get back here!" So anyways, all I'm gonna ask is that if you use this zone down here, take care of it. If you bring a bunch of trash, leave with it. You know, if you're gonna go to the porta potty. You know, because there's a lot of residents that are down here that love this place, that grew up with this place. And if we want to use it, if you want your kids to use it and your kids to be able to use this, and you're tired of everything being shut down, then we got to treat it right. As you can see, this place has got quite a bit of parking. So you can park all up underneath the trees here. You got parking all the way over here. And there should be a spot to park your boat. Now, when you come out, or if you're going in, just know that if you get hungry, you got Vinny's Pizza over here. You got CT's. You got Evelyn's Diner. And right down there, where I think the best view is in Bonneau, is the Watermark Grill. So if you get hungry, go give them a shot. Richardson's Landing. I love this place.